Here, goddess queen, diffusing silver light, bull-horned and wandering through the gloom of night, with stars surrounded, and with circuit wide, night's torch extending, through the heavens you ride, female and male, with silvery rays you shine, and now full-orbed, now tending to decline, mother of ages, fruit-producing moon, whose amber orb makes night's reflected noon, lover of horses, splendid queen of night, all-seeing power bedecked with starry light, lover of vigilance, the foe of strife, in peace rejoicing and a prudent life, fair lamp of night, its ornament and friend, who gives to nature's works their destined end, queen of the stars, all-wise Diana, hail, decked with a graceful robe and ample veil. Come, blessed goddess, prudent, starry, bright. Come, moony lamp, with chaste and splendid light. Shine on these sacred rites with prosperous rays, and pleased accept thy suppliant's mystic praise.